In today's video, I will be looking at even more Msagent sounds and their origins. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. These sounds were used as the show sound for Thunderbirds 501 and Future Sam. The origins of these sounds come from Windows XP Plus and are used as the startup sound for the Aquarium and DaVinci Microsoft Plus themes. Both of these sounds were used as the show and hide sounds for Denver. The origins of these sounds comes from Ubuntu and were used as the startup sounds for 6.10 and 18.10. This sound was used as the show sound for Isaac. The original sound comes from Trends TV and was used in Ident in around 2013. This was just the Mac OS X startup sound. That's literally it. It's also been used in other places. I'm going to make a longer video next, so please stay tuned for when it comes out. The next part will have all the sounds that I haven't found yet. However, if you leave a comment down below, I will immediately respond to it. Thanks for watching. And now I will play all the sounds that I haven't found yet.